Any minute, guys. Sorry I missed you guys last week. I left lesson plan to finish up topic number 5 and 6 from our book number 3, North and West Africa, Europe and North America. I would like to wrap up this book by reading last page out of the book. If you guys have your books out, please follow through with me. One World. In this book, we visited many regions of the world and met many people. We learned about diverse way of life of families and communities living in wide range of countries. We found that there are some things which are unique to each people and there are some things which all people share in common. One of the things we all share in common is the world as our home. All human beings are part of one large family. Our faith, Islam, teaches us to respect all people, regardless of their race, faith, or culture. Book 3, People and Places, is an exploration of cultural diversity of 6 regions of the world, where there is significant Muslim presence, ranging from Southeast Asia to North America and Europe. Each region is represented in terms of its countries, people, faith, and cultures. The book includes examples of major issues faced by people living in these areas, which have a bearing on their quality of life. I know many of you probably knew the geographical data already that was in the book 3. However, the compilation of geographical data with presence of Muslim people in these regions, their daily challenges and how they live and how they celebrate many festivals was enlightening for me, and I hope it was enlightening for you guys also. Now, I can't believe it's end of 2017-2018 REC school year. Today is the last day of REC, and today we're going to focus and concentrate on month of Ramadan. As many of you know, Ramadan started yesterday, and today we will be going over significance of month of Ramadan, how Muslims around the world celebrate Ramadan, and what are our responsibilities as Muslims to follow during this month. So, what is Ramadan? For Muslims, Ramadan is a holy month dedicated to prayer, Quran recital, intercession, and fast during sunlight hours. Ramadan is a month of Islamic calendar in which Prophet Muhammad is said to have revealed the holy book, the Quran. Ramadan is one of 12 months in Islamic calendar. The dates are based on lunar cycle, so they change every year. Ramadan is month of fasting during the daylight hours from dawn to sunset. This was stated as a ruling of Islam in 624 AD. Meals are served before dawn and after sunset. The meals before dawn are called Sahri. The ones after sunset are called Iftar. The task of fasting is considerably more demanding when Ramadan falls in the summer months, as there are many more hours of daylight and warmer temperatures that can be taxing on a body. Fasting is one of 5 pillars of Islam, the mandatory act that forms the foundation of Muslim life. Those 5 pillars are Shahada, means faith; Salah, means prayer; Zakat, means charity; Savna, means fasting; Hajj, means pilgrimage to Mecca. Let's go ahead and repeat these 5 pillars of Islam one more time. Faith, prayer, charity, fasting, and pilgrimage to Mecca. Islam is a religion which sees its followers help the poor and less fortunate throughout their lifetimes. While hungry and thirsty throughout the fasting day, Muslims have constant reminder of suffering of poor in less fortunate parts of the world. Ramadan allows worshippers to concentrate their minds on devotion to their faith through prayers, expressing gratitude, seeking forgiveness, and helping the needy. So, if any of you are planning to fast during the month of Ramadan, from the calendar that I have seen in Atlanta, Sari ends at 5:14 a.m., which means you have to be up before 5:14 to eat, do your Sari, do your prayers, and go back to bed. And Iftar is at 8:36 p.m. So you would have to eat after 8:36 p.m. If you're planning to fast, I recommend that you download a calendar for Atlanta, because the times change based on the sunset and sundown by a few minutes. So I would recommend you download that and follow it if you're planning to fast. We are going to do some fun activities today. We will make a charity jar that you guys will keep at home, and I encourage you guys to put some money in charity throughout the month and give it to the charity of your choice at the end of Ramadan. That is the essence of this holy month. And we will also prepare or work on a booklet that will be informational booklet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start our class after this video ends with a informational video on YouTube. We'll watch that. I think it's 7 minutes. I recommend that you guys take your notes, because the information you're going to find on in this video, you'll most likely use that in your booklet activity. So let's get ready and let's get the ball rolling. I will stop my video here and give you guys 5 minutes to stretch while I go ahead and start the YouTube video with more detailed information about Ramadan, Kareem. Thank you.